Ever tried adding a watermark in Word on your phone and realized the feature just isn't there? Huh, don't worry. Today, I'll show you a super easy way to add a clean, professional watermark to your Word document on Android or iPhone. Fully automatic, no manual editing at all. So even though Word Mobile doesn't support watermarks like the desktop version, there's a simple workaround, and it works really well. First, open your browser and go to the Aspos website. I'll put the link in the description, so just tap it from there. Once you're on the site, upload your Word document. After that, you'll see two options. Add text watermark if you want text, and add image watermark if you want a logo or image. I'm choosing text watermark for this example. Now, type the text you want to use as your watermark. Next, choose the color. I usually go with gray because it looks clean and professional. For the font, I'll select Arial, simple and safe. Now let's talk about font size, because this part matters. If your text is long, size 50 is enough. Medium length text, go with 70. Short text, you can push it to 90 or even 100, but honestly, feel free to adjust it however you like. After that, choose the angle. Of course, pick diagonal so the watermark looks legit and professional. Next, rename your document so it gets saved as a new file. Then select the file format. You can keep it as docs, or if you want, you can even convert it straight into a PDF. Once everything's set, tap Proceed. And just wait a few seconds. When the process is done, download your document. Open the file, switch to print layout so you can see the full page properly, and wow, your document now has a clean, professional watermark, all done directly from your phone. So yeah, no desktop, no complicated steps, just your phone and a few taps. If this saved you some time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I've got more simple tech tricks like this coming your way. See you in the next one.